It is a privilege for me today to bring you Pravin Shirse, Managing Director of Oerlikon Balzers, directly from his office. Sir, welcome to Machine Maker.
Thank you, Hari.
Every cutting tool manufacturer would like to have their product to perform at its best, and Oerlikon Balzers help them to do that. Can you just let me know your journey in India?
Yeah. So we started way back in 1994 in India, and with just a small coating machine, and we were not knowing exactly what this technology is going to be. But as the time passed, today there is not a single tool maker in India who has no application where our coatings are not being used. Importantly, today you cannot do much onto the basic materials. Only what you can do is by the coatings and enhance the performances. And we have now today launched so many products over years that for each and every application we have a different coating which gives the solution. And overall, if you want to know more, please visit us in the IMTEX about our products.
Sir, one more thing, I am having a small doubt. You told that the cutting tool, because as per my understanding, for any metal to be cut, you need a superior metal to cut that. And if it is like, for example, most of people do the carbide cutting tools. By coating, when we mean what it is we are coating it, how it is enhancing that performance?
Okay, so the coating is consisting of also metal, but also it is a combination of different metals plus the gases. So nitriding process is like a hardening process. Now when we say titanium nitride, so we use the base titanium and then use the nitrogen to make the hard layer. And these hard layers, which are very, very thin, they help you to have the enhancement of the tool, though it is the basic is carbide, but what enhances is really the cutting edge, and where you don't allow the heat from the workpiece material to transfer to the tool, which is the first thing which saves your tool from getting worn out. Second thing is the abrasive and the adhesive wears which are there also get transferred to the tool, which our coating act as a barrier and then allows the tool to not to wear out. So there are certain various such properties of coating which helps the base material to enhance its life with the help of coating.
So it is more than almost 30 years you are being in India supporting this cutting tool manufacturers. What we have seen is there are precision machining, the requirement is changing, the demand is changing. So is the technological requirement, the advancement is now built in the coatings?
Yes. You have to see the requirement of the market and also the machining technology. Today the speeds and feeds which were there 20 years back are exponentially gone up. I would say it is even 100 times more faster than what it was there 20 years back. And to cater to such applications, we also have enhanced our products to that range. Like today we are giving a alloy which is compositing of few different metals, say titanium, aluminium, silicon, XYZ. So these combinations really give you that kind of a surface or a kind of a layer which can perform to such high requirements of the speeds and feeds.
So you are telling that with Oerlikon there is no limit in bringing you can create a new metal itself.
Yeah, we do create a new metal principally, but we only do it as a layer by depositing it or by growing it. See, today we have also a technology of diamond which we can grow diamond onto the cutting tool and make it as good as a diamond tool on carbide. So we principally Oerlikon can do up to diamond. So our criteria is the hardnesses. So we create a hardness of coating at 1600 Vickers and we create a hardness of 10,000 Vickers. And in between we have ranges depending on the application.
So after some time this will also wear out.
Yeah.
So do we have any opportunity to redo the coating?
Yes. Today our biggest business in India is reconditioning. So whatever tool you use, we can recondition it, whether there are regrinding happens at the customer end or whether the regrinding happens at our end. We have also equipped all our plants with the high-tech regrinding equipments, which gives you exactly the original geometries, as well as we have also developed our own geometries to enhance the performance according to the application and according to the coatings.
So even a person who have imported some tools, they don't have to go back to outside to get it reconditioned. They can just come to you.
We have developed such solutions. Say there was a German product which was only possible to send it back and get it reground from Germany. But today we have easily, with our skilled people, we could develop this in India, and we are now giving the solution in India.
So IMTEX is just days away.
Yeah.
And we have seen that we are also very happy to collaborate with Oerlikon. Thanks for giving the opportunity to do the live launch of Balinit Mayura. You being an European company, this Mayura, our national bird, peacock, is very interesting. What is the story behind Balinit Mayura?
Okay, the first thing is that the coating itself, if you see, it has the multicolors like what you have on the peacock's feathers. And that has inspired us to really take this name. Now, second important thing is this coating has been developed in India and by Indian who is working in the R&D of Switzerland. So we thought, why not give it a Indian flavor? And about all its properties, if you want to know, please do visit our IMTEX stall where we are going to launch this product.
Thank you very much for your time, and we will look forward talking to you more at IMTEX and bring more great stories about Oerlikon at IMTEX Live.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you all at IMTEX.